Hey, what's up everyone? Tim here from Everyday Tactical Vids. We just got our latest shipment from Gotham Crate, so let's see what's inside. Alright, as we kick things off, let me talk about some of the paperwork that they throw in. First, we have a rundown about Gotham Crate, then we have the rundown of the gear that's in this box, an ad for Spec War Solutions and a sticker, Gotham Crate sticker, and a pen as well. And then they threw in this, which is 10% off at Officer Store, and there's a discount code if you subscribe to Gotham Crate. So that's everything that comes as far as your paperwork and your extras. All right, here's a look at your first item. This is from Black Diamond. It's the Magnetron carabiner valued at $29.99. This is a legit carabiner, so it's not just for throwing your keys on. You can see that we've got a huge amount of information from Black Diamond to tell you what to use it for, what not to use it for. When I hold it up here, you'll see there's your rating on the side. So this is for legit use, bearing the weight of human beings and other heavy objects. The reason this is called the Magnetron is that for most of my locking carabiners, you basically have a swivel here that you're gonna basically spin around. It's gonna lock the carabiner in place. But this is locked by a magnet. So press this and this opens up. You can see where the magnetic connection will happen. Close it, let it go, and now it's locked in place. So very cool item, valued at 30 bucks. I mean, that's a legit carabiner. So if you need to do something that's going to, you're going to be lowering an item, let's say, that is very heavy, this is a carabiner you can use. It's not just going to break on you. It's not some cheap thing from, your local hardware store that's made to carry some lightweight rope or, like I said, throw your keys on. This is a legitimate carabiner. So that's your first item, valued at $29.99. Here's your second item, and this is a multicam courtesy face mask valued at $16.95. So, the world we're living in today, masks are needed in a lot of different locations. So, yeah, now you've got one. It's washable, 100% made in the USA. Cool. I love multicam. It's one of my favorite patterns. So that's your second item, again, valued at $16.95. Next up, we have these, which are flex style cuffs. The value is $2.50 each. They basically say on the description here that, you're probably not doing a snatch and grab at 0 dark 30, but these are cool items. So for very cheap, very lightweight, the example they give is like, say you're on a commuter train and somebody gets out of control and you and some other passengers have to subdue them. Well, this could actually keep them under control until the authorities arrive. So basically, you see my wrist would go through here. You know what? Since this is hard to do on camera, I'm going to roll in some footage right now of me throwing these on my son. I'm sure he'll love to be the guy in the handcuffs for a minute. So yeah, I mean, cool little item. Again, it's not a huge value. If they were like $20 each, I'd be like, okay, that's a little bit excessive, but throw these in your bag. They're small, they're lightweight, and they can be a useful tool. Hopefully you'll never have to use them, but now you've got them in case you do. So once again, flex style cuffs rated at $2.50 each. Here's your last item. This is a Casio G-Shock watch, and I'll take it out of the box in a second, but I gotta tell you, when I saw this in the box, I was like, wow, nice. I'm pretty pumped about this. So got a pair of Oakleys in the last Gotham crate and a Casio G-Shock in this crate. Pretty sweet. So let me open this up. I'll show you what it looks like. Here's a look at the box that it comes in. I will note just real quick, it is nicely wrapped up, and the value for this, again, is $89.99. You do have a very complete multi-language instruction manual here. I mean, look at that thing. That's the real deal right there. And here's a look at the watch on my wrist. And let me take it off now so I can show it to you up close and personal more easily. All right, so there's a look at it. So you got time, you got stopwatch, you've got a timer, you've got alarms, you got a mute option there built in. I mean, these are known to be excellent watches, especially for the value. You're not paying $500, you're paying under $100 and getting a really solid watch. So yeah, you do have an illumination option. Let me see if I can do it on camera here. Bump the camera again. Click both these. It's a little bit hard to do in a weird angle. Yeah, you can see the illumination pop up in the corner there. Yep, there it goes. So, yeah, I mean, cool watch. G-Shock, like I said, they've got a good reputation as far as like their durability and then also value compared to your price. All right, so as always, with my unboxing videos, I don't go into detail on every single item and use it for 6 months and then report it. I just want to let you know what's coming in these boxes. Once again, I will let you know, too, that Gotham Crate is a quarterly box. It's valued at $99.99, so $100. And the last two boxes, I mean, the value has definitely been over $100. I mean, you're looking at $90 right there for the G-Shock, plus the carabiner is $30, so you're up over, and then the cuffs and the mask are a little kind of bonus extra, but yeah, I like those things too as well. So this is the second Gotham Crate I've checked out. I usually suspend judgment, until I'm like 4 or 5 boxes in to get a sense, but so far I've liked the options. And the case is with any subscription box is that you have to be willing to let somebody else purchase gear for you. So if you're down with that and you've got the cash, then it could be a good option for you. If you're like, no, I want to buy my own gear and make my own choices, obviously no subscription box is going to be for you. But so far, the last 2 boxes, a nice watch and a nice set of glasses from Oakley. So I've been impressed with what we've gotten so far. So let's hear your thoughts so far on these Gotham Crate boxes. I'll put a link at the end of this video to the first Gotham Crate that I unboxed, and let's hear your thoughts and your feedback. All right, guys, thanks as always for checking out the videos here on YouTube. Please subscribe to Everyday Tactical Vids if you haven't done so already. Like us on Facebook, follow us on Twitter, check us out on Instagram, Tumblr, and Vero as well. More videos are coming soon. Take care.